In this video, I'll show you how you can make an umbrella in Microsoft Word. Now this is super simple, guys, so let's get straight into it. First, what you want to do is you want to head over to Word and type in these numbers 2, 6, 1, 4. Then hold down the Alt button right next to your space bar and be next to your Windows button. And when you hold it down, you're going to press X. Now once you've done this, as you can see, it will make the umbrella. And what you can do is you can highlight it, Control C, Control V to paste it. And if you want, you can change the color. So let's say you want to change the color like this. Now you have a black, red, blue. You can also make it bigger, going in here, changing the size. You can also give it a background color right here. So that's basically how you can make the umbrella in Word. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.